Writing is one of the fundamental skills that each and every one of us must have in order to ascend in life and progress in all of our activities for our entire lifetime. Along with reading and speaking, writing is one of the main pillars in having conversations with everyone we know. I'm sure you write on a daily basis. You may jot down some notes, write some little reminders, or just simply write for whatever purpose you may fulfill. Now you're going to be absolutely thrilled because you are going to find out that you actually make money out of the very basic skill of writing. Now you may be thinking that this method is going to be difficult. I mean, you've probably come across some money-making strategies that ask you to write stuff in exchange for cash. Some of those may entail complicated writing tasks that need previous experiences or technical skills. However, you have totally no reason to worry about anything at all because with this method, it is perfectly aligned to suit beginners like you who are just starting to climb the ladder in achieving financial freedom and success. That's right. You are not going to need anything other than yourself, your device, and an internet connection. What's even more amazing is that you can just freely make use of any device that you have. Just be sure that it can connect to the internet, and just like that, you can simply earn money in as easy as 1, 2, 3. Amazing, right? So I'm sure that you want to get your hands on this method, so all you have to do is stay right where you are and watch this video thoroughly. Be sure to watch every single second because this video will contain everything you need to fully execute this method and earn fat stacks of cash in no time.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now before we get right into the primary website, there's something that I would like to tell you. You are absolutely going to love to know that this method is guaranteed 100% free. This method is never going to ask you to make an investment of any kind, so everything that you will earn is pure profit. You can also get your mind off of thinking that there will be hidden charges because everything is so transparent. Now buckle up because I'm going to take you on this ride in achieving financial freedom. This process is going to be quite long, but overall, so easy. Some of you may find this whole thing a bit complicated, but that's exactly the reason why you have to watch every single second of the video. And besides, I'm right here by your side because I'm going to teach you how to make money with this awesome website called Capterra. For today's video, we are going to discuss all about Capterra. So what is it? It is a platform for business owners to help them find the right software for their business. They can compare options, find good software programs, and can even read reviews as to how softwares help people across the globe. Before I reveal what you're going to be doing, let's first have a tour around the website to have an idea of what they're all about. Capterra is the world's leading software reviews and selection platform with the most comprehensive source research on the internet. They are also very proud to offer 1 million verified software reviews that provide great aid to business owners. And of course, it's all free of charge. So what exactly are you going to be doing with Capterra? I mean, you're not a business owner and you're most certainly not here to find software programs to amp up your business or use it in any way. Now that you know that Capterra houses the world's leading platform for business owners to seek out reviews and compare software programs to find out what's best for them, you are going to be one of the users who are going to submit reviews on the platform and help out those business owners. All you have to do is write a little something about specific software that you like. Simply craft a write-up where you can share your own thoughts about the certain software and just air out your opinions as to how that software helped you in your own way. In just a second, I'm going to show you a real-life walkthrough as to how you are going to pull this off, but just hold your horses for now. I want you to click on this section right here on the upper left portion of the page that says Software Categories. Once you do that, you will then see this little interface, so I want you to click this button that says Browse All Categories. After doing so, you will find yourself being redirected to this page where you can gain access to the huge assortment of categories of software programs embedded right here on Capterra. The categories are sorted alphabetically, so feel free to scroll down and browse through the whole selection to look for the software category that you wish to make a review on. This is, however, quite time-consuming. There's certainly at least 100 categories here, so it's surely going to take you a long time to figure out what is best for you. In light of that, I want you to shift your attention to the upper right portion of the page where you can see this text saying Write a Review. Obviously, I want you to click on that and then it will take you to this page where this somehow begins the journey of what you're about to do for today's method. This page contains all of the software programs that you can make a review on, since that will be your main task for today. The selection is already sorted out according to popularity, so you can find the most famous programs right here. I bet you're all familiar with most of these software programs, so feel free to browse to locate the perfect software to pursue. Some of the programs include Zoom, Asana, Viber, WebEx, Canvas, Project Center, and so many more. You can also even load more products by clicking this gray button here that says See More Products. But actually, this page will already suffice, so go ahead and choose the software program that you want to make a review on. For this video, let's try out Viber since it's quite popular among users, and personally, I really enjoy Viber, so I know my review is going to go well.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
For example, we are going to pursue making a review on Viber, so let's click that right now. Once we do that, we will be redirected to this page where we can now officially start developing our own review for the chosen platform. The first page of the review form will be all about personal information about yourself and a little background as to how you are going to use Viber. Simply fill in all the necessary information about yourself, such as your first name, last name, email address, job title, organization name, industry, company size, and the time you have spent using the software program. For the job industry, I strongly suggest that you use this option right here for computer software. Just click this arrow down button, and it will toggle this wide array of job industries that you can select. You should click on computer software since the work is entirely grounded in that specific field. When your review shows that you belong in the computer software field, then that would make you a reliable user, paving the way for you to have a published review, which entirely means more money for you. As for this question that asks how long you've used the software, I want you to choose the option of 6 to 12 months or the ones below that entail more years. The fundamental principle of this is that the more time you spend using Viber, then the more trustworthy your review is. The next questions will be so easy so you can just answer them on your own, but for this one right here which asks you what your role is, then you should tick the box for I am a user. Once you're through the first page, move on to the next by clicking the next button on the bottom right corner. This page will be very basic since all that you have to do is place your own ratings on certain services and features offered by Viber. In order to make a positive review, you should only give out stars in the upper spectrum, around at least 7. Once you're finished, hit the next button and you're on to the third and final page. The last page will all be just about your entire review. The first thing that you have to write is the title, and you can write something like My Viber Review, or you can be even more creative and craft a title of your own. After that, just simply answer all of the questions right here concerning the pros and cons and your overall experience with the software. The pros will be basically all of the good things about Viber, and on the other hand, the cons are the things that you don't like about Viber or something that needs improvement on. The disadvantages. Lastly, the overall experience follows the question, what business problems are you solving with Viber? This is where you can also describe how you dealt with Viber and how it suited you. Speaking in a general sense, once you are done, simply answer these next questions right here, and then there's nothing left for you to do but to hit that submit button. Your review is now up for deliberation, and once it's posted, and I'm sure it will be, then that's the mark that you can now make money just by doing all those simple steps. Easy as pie, right?
And that's it. This has been Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.